Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm over in Silver Landing, walking another beautiful job. All that noise in the background is us building another swimming pool at the neighbor's house. So they're gonna be enjoying their pool here soon too. So quick, let's go over some features here. We've got a fire trough in the back on a key valve. We've got 2 shear descents where the water spills over. That's automated. And I like this spillway. I'm gonna tell you, I like it because it goes with the black lava with the spillway. And our infamous jets, massaging jets. We've got multiple jet arrays, clusters around. You can see a triple, there's a quad down here, a couple singles. So you get multiple massages with our spas. That is almost impossible with anybody else. And you can find that out whenever you're doing your apples to apples comparison. Nice strip tile. Get a nice border around the steps. And shell-lock pavers. This is with the shell, 12 by 24, and we got the expanded view screen so they can have a nice view of the marsh out there. You can tell just how heavy duty this is. Look at the size of these posts. I mean, they just don't get any stronger than that, especially here in Florida with these things called hurricanes we have. And last but not least, a awesome outdoor kitchen. Refrigerator, 32-inch 4-burner, side burner, door drawer combo, 18 by 18 under mount sink, and of course you have to have an access door. Leathered granite, 3cm with an eased polished edge. And that is the overview of what this beautiful job looks like. And this is another 5-star job. So you'll have a blessed day. We still got to put some sod down here. We've been waiting for this weather to get warm. And guess what? It's now warm. So all that's left, put some sod down. They wanted us to do it. And other than that, it'll be a wrap. Time to go swimming. See y'all. Have a very blessed weekend coming up.